Wildcard SSL common name, can it be called anything? I was just wondering if a Wildcard SSL certificate necessarily needs to have a common name that contains the domain name of the sites that need the SSL certificate applied to. For example, for the following: domain name, testdomain.com. Subsites: www.testdomain.com, mobile.testdomain.com, mitesenvironment.testdomain.com. Do I necessarily need my wildcard certificate to have a common name of .testdomain.com?
Yes, your common name should be yourdomain.com for a wildcard certificate. Basically, the common name is what states what domain your certificate is good for, so it has to specify the actual domain. Clarification: it shouldn't contain the domain name of the sites, it should be the domain of the sites. I'm guessing there is no difference in your question, I just wanted to clarify, in case there's a misconception of what the domain should be, or what the certificate will be used for.
Actually, you should use name entries in the subject alt name section of the certificate to specify the FQDNS, not the CN part of the subject. Using the subject for this purpose has been deprecated since RFC 2818 has been published in 2000. Quoting section 3.1. If a subject alt name extension of type name is present, that must be used as the identity. Otherwise, the most specific, common name field in the subject field of the certificate must be used. Although the use of the common name is existing practice, it is deprecated and certification authorities are encouraged to use this name instead. The only case where the contents of the subject are relevant in the context of server certificate validation is if there is known name included in the subject alt name, a case which has been deprecated for the past 17 years at the time of writing. Usage of wildcard certificates is deprecated, as shown by section 7.2 of RFC 6125. This document states that the wildcard character should not be included in presented identifiers but may be checked by application clients, mainly for the sake of backward compatibility with deployed infrastructure. Using the same private key for several services is usually considered bad practice. Should one of the services be compromised, communications from other services will be at risk and you'll have to replace the key and certificate for all services. I suggest RFC 6125 as a good source of information on this matter.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.